Today guys, magluluto ako ng spaghetti para matikman naman ni Warren ang pagkakaiba ng spaghetti sa Pilipinas at spaghetti dito. So, habang niluluto ko yung noodles, ihahanda ko naman yung mga sangkap na ipangahalo natin. Gumamit lang naman ako ng sibuyas, garlic, hotdog at giniling na baboy. So ngayon guys, uumpisahan ko ng maggisa. Unahin natin yung bawang, at isusunod ko naman ang sibuyas. Habang naghalo-halo ako, ilalagay ko naman ang giniling na baboy. Tapos, tatakpan natin muna. So, pwede na to. Ilagay naman natin, syempre, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, ang tomato sauce. At maglalagay din ako ng konting tubig, tapos isusunod ko na ang ang hotdog. Lutuin lang natin to ng mabuti hanggang dumapot ang sauce. So, eto na siya guys, luto na.
Here it is guys, Filipino-style spaghetti. Never had it before. I've seen the different pastas and the pancits in the Philippines, but I never had the spaghetti. Today, that changes. Let's try it, shall we?
Taste it. And give me a honest opinion. Okay?
Always honest. Always.
Okay, try it first.
I'd rather hurt your feelings than lie to you.
nice.
It smells delicious.
Delicious.
Very
What is
delicious.
the taste? What is the difference?
It's not as heavy as the traditional spaghetti of Italy.
About the taste.
Well, without sounding biased, I give this 10 out of 10.
Honest opinion na eh.
Yeah, it's delicious. You see, guys, one of the reasons I didn't eat spaghetti in the Philippines is because I have stomach issue, so I get bloated very quickly.
Yeah.
And in the Philippines, it's really hot, and then you have other elements as well. So I don't eat too much in the Philippines, especially with heavy foods like pasta, spaghetti. So that's why I didn't eat it, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's true.
It's the truth. But this is the first time I've actually tried it. It's delicious. I don't even eat the Jollibees one, but this is more nice.
Zero.
Oh,
You some more?
a lot more. It's masarap, diba?
Yeah, masarap, di ba? Let's eat, guys.
Kain tayo.
Kain tayo. The sauce is in here.
Delicious sauce.
Yan.
Yeah, it tastes sweet. It tastes softer and not as heavy, not as dense as the pasta we get in Italy. Italian style pasta. It's delicious. It almost tastes sweet because of the sauce. And that's the key difference, I think, with the foods of the spaghettis in the Philippines, because it's more sweet, isn't it?
Sweeter.
Tend to go for their sweet flavours. Let me know, guys. Have you made the spaghetti pasta in your home? And what makes your pasta or your spaghetti different to other people's? And what is your preferences? Let me know in the comments, guys. We'd like to know, wouldn't we? Then we can steal your ideas. Alright, guys. Until the next video, in you get car. And leave a comment down below, give us a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And until the next video, take care.
Bye. Like it?
Delicious.
Okay.